Hey guys, welcome to my channel. If you are new here, welcome, and if you're not new here, welcome back to my channel, and thank you so much for watching my videos. I know summer has been crazy. I've been trying to post more and stay current and everything, but with summer winding down, I've been able to have more time to do some videos, and this one I see all over YouTube. And so I just thought, hey, it's quick, it's easy. I'm going to get happy hour sushi here in like 30 minutes. So what can I do that's super quick? Okay, so this is my bag. It's the size of me, super heavy. Let's just take everything out of it, I guess. So I always have my Contigo water bottle. I don't drink water unless it's out of this water bottle, and I rarely drink water anyways. So, you know, I just carry it around with me. I have a notebook that has my star sign on it. I just kind of use this because I like to make lists, and if things aren't on lists, oh my god, I am such a type A. But yeah, if things aren't on lists, they won't get done for me. So I have to carry it with me literally everywhere, or I feel completely lost. I have my planner, which is from Pink, and I write literally everything in this planner, down to like showering, and it's so cute. If you guys are actually looking for a planner, go to Pink, because look how cute these little things are. They come with stickers, like, oh my gosh, so cute, so cute. Non-sponsored, by the way. I of course have my phone, which has a cute little background of lemons. I have a pen that says keep it together, because I always need to be reminded to chill the heck out. I have Michael Kors wallet in black, of course, just like everything else I've shown you guys, because everything I carry on is black pretty much, except for my bag. I have medicine. I have my glasses. I have headphones, peppermint pills, which if you have never taken peppermint pills, I suggest taking them. I carry them with me everywhere I go. They're like Tums on crack. They will pretty much solve anything, and they're just kind of a natural remedy, and they just make you feel better. So carry them with me everywhere I go. I have obviously my Aquaphor. You guys know that I'm obsessed with it. I have Spark, which is an energy drink, and that's just if I can't find coffee and I need something to pick me up. And then finally, in my bag of tricks, my favorite thing is this. If you have never seen one of these, and if you don't own one of these, I suggest taking notes and going and buying one. They're like $12 or something like that. I know you can get them at places like Francesca's, any little boutique-y shop. I don't know if you can get them at Target. I don't know, I'd have to look into it. I'll link it below though, so you guys can check it out. So in this teeny tiny little bag, the bag inside of the bag, there is everything you would need in your purse. There is, let's just go through it. There is gas relief. There is chapstick. There is a nail file. There is double-sided tape. Look at these teeny tiny little packs. They're so cute. Oh my gosh. Double-sided tape. There is facial cleansing tissues, bobby pins, a tampon, breath mints. What is this? Hairspray. Look at how tiny that hairspray is. I just can't believe it. There is Shine blotting pads. There is Advil. There is a sewing kit. There is clear nail polish. There is nail polish remover. And finally, in that teeny tiny bag, there is stain remover. in here. 12 bucks, guys. It can fit in any bag, even like a little clutch. Carry it around. It's awesome. My camera cut out. It died. Ooh. Okay, let's finish this video. Anyways, I know that that video was short, but thank you for watching it. I am just trying to keep videos coming towards you guys. If you have any ideas, please comment them because I'm running out of ideas to do. I love these quick little easy things. Thank you guys so much for coming back to my channel and watching. I go back to school next week, so videos are gonna be slow. I'm gonna try to record a few this week. With that being said, I'm gonna go to Happy Hour Sushi at Benihana. I'm starving, so I'm gonna go. But remember to stay happy, stay healthy, stay beautiful, and I will see you guys next time.